Okay, so here we are in JMP, and today what I want to look at are how we set up default preferences when we perform an analysis. So let me just illustrate why we may want to do this. Let's say I come to analyze distribution, and what I want to do is create a histogram of the height. Well, I have my histogram here. That's what I'm interested in. But what I'm also getting is a lot of additional information. I have the quantiles, I have the moments, I also have on the right hand side here this outlier box plot, and maybe also I want to display my histogram horizontally instead of the default vertical orientation. Well, I can change all of those preferences by going into the red triangle here and going under display, selecting quantiles, moments. I can switch those off, I can switch the outlier off, I can go to histogram options and turn off vertical. Alternatively, if I press the Alt key and click on the red triangle, it brings up a dialog, and that just makes it easier for me to select all of those options in one step. Click OK, and now I have the histogram that I wanted. The problem is, if I come and do a distribution again of the heights, then it's going to give me all of the default settings. So what I want to do is change the behavior of JMP so that every time I select distributions, it's only going to give me a horizontal histogram. So I can come to File, select Preferences, I then go to Platforms, and I select Distribution. And now you see on the right hand side I have all of the options that we saw earlier, so I can switch off those options, click OK, but now those preferences are saved permanently. So every time I use JMP, whenever I go to distribution and select any variable, plot it, it's just going to give me the layout that I've set by those preferences. So that really only leaves one question, and that one question is, how did I know which platform to select? If I come to Platforms, I selected Distribution. You'll see there's a long list of platform types in here. The clue is in this top name that you see in this dialog window. So the top level, you can sort of see distributions. Just to give you an indication, if I go to fit Y by X, select height and weight, then we can see it's called bivariate. So if I go to File, Preferences, under Platforms, I won't see fit Y by X, but what I will see is bivariate, and that has got the various options that are associated with the bivariate platform. Okay, that's all for today.